Hello, and I am the Angry Cook. I'm doing a voiceover on this because it's a bunch of clips over a bunch of days. I did the Biga pre-ferment for my pizza crust also, which I made. I'm showing you the days 1, 2, and 3 of the ferment to see the change. The big change was not in the refrigerated ferment. It was in the uh, handling of the dough and also the taste of the dough. The taste of the dough was much more complex and rich, much deeper than um, the normal fermented in a refrigerator dough. I highly recommend this. I'm going to be putting a video out on it shortly um, on how to do the Biga pre-ferment after I'm done with these four crusts. But if the pizza is as good as the uh, Stromboli was, it's just going to be awesome. So look forward to it and try this. It really is easy once I show you how, or look it up on the internet. It's Biga, B-I-G-A. See you later.